Hello and welcome. Today I would like to show you another hidden feature that's fully implemented in the Oculus Quest. I also have some news on what Oculus decided to add in the V27 update. So stay watching till the end of the video. Pass-through portal. We've already seen a feature similar to it in the Infinite Office trailer Facebook showcased almost half a year ago, during the Facebook Connect 2020. And the feature is actually that useful that I'm using it right now to write the script of this video. What this feature does, it enables you to declare an area in your room you always want to be able to see while in VR. Judging from what I've seen, it seems like it's designed for your keyboard while working or using other applications that rely on user input in VR. If you want to enable it yourself, just download the latest APK from my GitHub and sideload it, like any other APK to your Quest. In the app, select Pass-through portal from the drop-down menu at the top and click the Go button. You should now be able to define the area of your keyboard and use it normally. I had quite a few people reach out to me because I wanted to know how to fully disable it. It's pretty simple. You just have to go into your settings and clear your Guardian history. So I have also found some interesting stuff in the V27 firmware update that wasn't there before, and I thought I would update you on that. Based on a newfound string, it seems like Oculus has been working on 120Hz for the Quest 2 behind the scenes. Increase the display refresh rate to 120Hz when requested by supported apps. This may affect battery usage, headset temperature, and the visual quality of some system features. This makes it seem like they are trying to get 120Hz with working during standalone VR and not only during PC VR, like some people speculated. There's also some new information which gives us an idea how intrusion detection will be calibratable. A low sensitivity shows you a precise outline of the person, pet or object that entered your boundary, but it will take longer to appear. A high sensitivity means that you will see the intrusion faster, but it will look less precise. Adjust the sensitivity of the intruder's distance to the Guardian boundary. A lower floor height will show you more possible intrusions on the ground. A high floor height shows you fewer intrusions on the ground and can filter out smaller people, pets or objects. Also, a general description of intrusion detection has been added. See a virtualization when people, pets or objects enter your Guardian boundary when you are in VR. Another new feature will be the ability to receive text notifications from your phone in VR. I quote, "To get phone notifications on your headset, go to your headset settings in the Oculus app and select Phone Notifications." At the end, I would like to thank you all for subscribing and watching my videos. It has also been really cool to see the coverage of the stuff I found by various YouTubers and other VR news outlets. Also a thank you to Kazamaru, who found out how to record the pass-through portal in its normal color. Thanks for watching my video, I will see you next time, and in case you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section.